Here comes Speedy Gonzalez. It's blending in with the snow. Yeah, be careful on the ice, buddy. Maya's like, that donkey's crazy. You're on the other side of the fence. Thirsty? Yeah. All right. Let's go check on Lisa and the horses. Right? We'll be back.
Hey everybody, it's Lisa at H&L Homestead. Today we're starting the video with my little hen Red over here. She jumped out of her pen. She's been wandering around. She follows us, does her own thing, looking for some bugs. But today's February 8th. Got to give a big shout out to my mother. Today's her birthday. Happy birthday, Mom! And then the other big news of the day is we're expecting a snowstorm. So they're saying we're going to have about 5 to 8 inches of snow plus some ice. So it's to start around 8 or 9 o'clock tonight and go until about noontime tomorrow on Sunday. And there's our friends. Ginger, Nestor, Chloe. How do you feel about the snowstorm? Ginger, how do you feel about the snow, Mom? She's like, no. She's like, you see my paddock? I got rid of all that stuff. I don't want any more. She's like, and I'm an old lady. I'm not a fan of that cold, wet stuff. Look at you. You're a hot mess. What do you got on your head? She's like all kinds of crap. I was rolling. Oh, Mama. What do you think? Hi. Nestor. 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 Say hi to all your friends on YouTube. There he is. Say hi, everybody. Hi, Nessie. What do you think, Bubba? Are you ready? Huh? Are you ready for some snow? He's like, no. No snow. I am not ready. Chloe, how about you, Mom? Mom, are you ready for snow? She's like, no. Not ready for snow. Chloe! What are you doing, Mare? Chloe! What are you doing, Mama? She's like, doing what I want. Going for a walk. Let's go this way. Let's go say hi to everybody on this side. See how everybody's doing. Check in with them. See how they're feeling about the snow. Hey guys, we're gonna get snow again. They were like, yeah, we're not happy about this. Say, you see what's happening over here on this side? In our neck of the woods? Yeah, we still got a whole bunch of snow and ice. Hasn't melted yet. So they're not thrilled about getting more. Right, guys? Say, nope, not thrilled. Say, goats don't really make good ice skaters. Hi, what are we doing? Hi, Mina. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Mina. Hi, Shreki. Hi, Spud. And everybody, look at Miss Monica. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this little man right here, this is Finn. That was a buckling from last spring. And this lady right here is Monica. Hi, Monica. We're going to take a quick skin of her belly. And nobody can tell. See that bump sticking out on the side? Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen this year. But somehow, this little woman, no, she ended up pregnant. We're pretty sure there's babies in that tummy. You're not just fat. I know. Hi. Hello. Hi, sir. Get down. Baby. Oh. He's got something to say. He's got something to say. What's up, little man? Oh, my. Neston's got a lot to say. He's saying nope. He's like, I'm telling you, I'm not happy about this snow coming. I'm not. The ducks are way over there. They don't care about snow. Rain, sleet, snow. They don't care what the weather is. They're still going to take a bath every day and go swimming. They're happy as long as they got their bathtub over there. Oh, and Wilbur, here she is. She's got something to say. Mama, what do you got to say about the snow, Mom? Huh? What do you got to say, Mama? Want to tell everybody how you feel about it? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? What do you think about the snow? You don't like it? No? She's like, no. She's like, pigs aren't fans of snow, Mom. She's like, can I get a pet? She's like, can I get a pet? She's like, guys, look at me. She's like, do you guys remember when I was just a little teeny tiny girl when I first came home? Now look at me. 250, 300 pounds. I'm a big girl, and I think I'm a little lap dog. Say, I will lay down and roll right over so I can get a belly rub. I'm a silly girl. Hi! Say hi to everybody. Say hello, 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 hello. Yeah. Say, I'm such a good girl. I'm such a good girl. Everybody on YouTube, say hi, Wilbur. Oh, Wilbur loves her pets. Oh, Mama loves her pets. Yeah. She's like, oh, scratching my back. Oh, Mama got the curly. Oh, down she goes. There she goes. She makes this nice little hay bomb. And then she lays down and keeps her nice and warm. Oh, and then she's going to roll over and show me her belly. Oh, my goodness. Let's see. And she's like, Mama, rub the belly. Give me belly rubs, Mama. Oh, you're such a silly piglet. What do you think, Ma? She's like, I think you should just keep rubbing my belly. Thank you. Oh, Mama. You are such a good girl. Huh? You're such a good girl. Look how pretty you are. Huh? Look how pretty that piglet is. She's a pretty piglet. Oh. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, Mama? What do you think? Oh, she's such a good girl, guys. Yeah, she's such a good girl. Huh? Yeah. What do you think, Wilbur? Huh? She's like, I think I'm sleepy, Mommy.
Frosty's out getting his exercise in. He knows the snowstorm's coming. Today's Saturday. We're going to release this video on Sunday morning. So tonight we should be getting a lot of snow. Here he comes, Speedy Gonzalez. Be careful, it's icy, buddy. You can run, but you got to be careful for ice. Yeah. It's like, I'm getting my exercise in. I know snow's coming. Be careful. I keep telling you. It's icy, buddy. There you go. Are you going this way? You're making me dizzy. Huh? He's like, give me some pets, buddy. Yeah, you want pets. All right, go run. Go run. Go run. You can run. Is that good? Look who's out playing, right? He's like, yeah. He goes, I know you come through this gate. Yes, I come through the gate. You can't. Hi. Yeah. Now and Diddy are out there. Yes. I know. You out playing, buddy? I see the goats are out too. Yeah. Oh, where'd you go? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I see everybody's out running and playing. Do you think the animals know the storm's coming? Huh? Frosty's like, man, I'm trying to get every grass I can right now. This is good stuff. I hear you, goats. There goes Frosty, chasing Diddy. You just had to race down here, right? Check on your goats. Yeah. He's like, I had to check on everybody. I think you just... Look out, Diddy. Frosty's like, nobody gets near my goats. Oh, I told you, you gotta be careful, buddy. It's slippery out here. All right, Diddy, leave them alone. We don't want them spooked too much. How you doing, buddy? You all right? He's like, yeah, I'm good. I'm just checking out this dog. Yeah. All right, Diddy. Enough. I'll have to put you in the house again. Everybody's getting ready for the snow. What do you girls think, huh? You in, Frosty? He's like, nope, I'm going back out. Diddy, don't get behind him, he'll kick you. Frosty, you coming? Come on. I'll close the gate and leave Diddy out. Come on. Don't worry, he can't get in when I close the gate. Yeah, I know, you don't understand what I'm saying. All right, you stay outside while I go feed everybody. Frosty's like, make sure he stays out. I know. All right, back up. Back up, everybody wants to eat. He's not coming in. There you go. There you go. There. Hi, Winnie. How are you? See? He stayed out there. You ready? Everybody ready to eat? Well, it's good that there's very little snow over here, but the weather guessers are saying we're getting 3 snowstorms in the next 10 days. So I think the animals knew it because they were awfully active today. Running, jumping, playing. I know, Frosty. There you go. See? See? Girls ready? Everybody's like, feed us. Turn on the lights. You ready to eat? He's like, yeah. Winnie, you ready to eat? She's like, yes. Get us our food. All right. Down, down, down. He's like, I can't help it. I see a wine. I gotta bite it. I'm watching you. I'm still watching you. You ready? There. There. No? You don't want that food? There. Well, you want that one? Look out. Look out. Frosty's like, all right, I got this one. Don't fight over that one. But remember the first one? Only Rachel's eating. There's plenty of food for everybody. Hay bag is full. Grain for everybody. I don't know. The storm tonight. Hopefully. Hopefully the weather guesses are wrong, right, Rachel? She's like, yeah. Winnie, that's your mom. Be nice to her. You know, there's more food over here. Rachel's got the whole big trough to herself. You can come eat it. She's like, I don't care. Rachel's like, hey, don't say anything. Leave him alone. I got this whole thing to eat. What are you looking at? You see Diddy out there? Huh? Diddy's running around. You keeping an eye on him? Oh yeah, I see him. But the boy goats want to eat. Jeez. You want to let me in? Come on, back up. Back up so I can get in. If you want to eat, get down. Stock over here, boys. Look at all that hay piled up. It's hard to see because I'm in the way, but the hay bag, they need hay. Yeah, they need hay. It's going to be cold tonight. All right. Frosty, you switched? They don't care. Yeah, it's a little extra. A little extra that didn't go in the boys. Is that good stuff, huh, Frosty? He's like, yeah, I like it. Clearly you all do. All right, I'm gonna bring some hay over to the boys, so we'll be back after that. All right, everybody. The boys have got their hay. Their bag is full. You guys are still eating? Frosty's like, yeah. My belly's getting full though. Yep, he's like, oh, I like my pets. All right, go back to eating. Okay, so we'll be back after it snows. They said it would start snowing around 6 o'clock. It is now 5:15, so we'll see if it starts. If not, we'll catch you in the morning. I know the video comes out Sunday morning, so I'll get up, show you what it looks like before we close out the video and post it for the day. But that's it, Frosty. We'll be back out when it starts snowing, all right? I know. You don't care. You're having fun. No? Yeah? You don't know? All right, buddy. Winnie. Lights out. Okay, time to lock everybody in for the night. You guys have a good night. Sleep tight. It did not start snowing yet. The weather guesses got it wrong. So, we'll lock everybody in for the night. And then we'll come out tomorrow and see how it's going. All right, see you in the morning, buddy. All right, overnight we got 4 inches of snow. So the weather guesses got the snow right, but they didn't get the number. Hi, Frosty. Yeah, the white stuff's back. And I think it's going to stick around for a while. Yeah, because it's supposed to snow again. Yeah, it's supposed to snow again on Thursday. Hi, girls. Everybody ready to eat? I see you guys ate a lot of hay in the hay bag. All right, tell our friends. Hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and as always, we'll see them on the next video. Bye.